How would you like to generate real estate leads on Facebook? In today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial and show you how to use carousel ads to market a list of homes to generate new prospective buyers. Take a look. Hey everyone, Kevin Smullin with 2Q Lead Generation Strategies, bringing you another Facebook lead generation tutorial. If you are brand new to our channel, thanks for being here. What we're all about is helping real estate agents just like you generate more leads, set more appointments, and close more transactions. So if you want more tips, more strategies to help you grow your business, this is the place to be. Consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here as part of our community. In today's tutorial, what we're going to be talking about is how to generate Facebook leads on how to generate real estate leads on Facebook. That would be better. So that is what we're going to cover. And I'm going to show you a style of ads that I haven't done a ton of in tutorials. I've done lots of them for clients, but I want to show you a tutorial on this, and that is using carousel ads. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the tutorial process and walk you through how to set up carousel ads. And one of my favorite things to use carousel ads for is for a list of homes. So I've got clients that have done this where, in fact, one of my clients, he does this every single day. He probably generates more leads than any of the other clients that I've got. And he's generating leads at around $2 per lead. So I'm going to show you how to do what he's doing. So with that, we're going to go ahead and check that it is a special ad category for housing, lead generation, and then you would just go ahead and name this whatever you want, list of homes, whatever you want to call it, right? Now, you're going to connect it to your page, make sure that you've accepted the terms for lead generation ads. And then for the sake of doing what I'm doing, I would normally put in like the city and do a 15-mile radius, or I would also do like a county. So just for the sake of tutorials, let's say I'm doing one for Salt Lake County. And so that targets everybody in the entire county. Then I would come down here to the detailed targeting, and I would tweak this a little bit depending on what it is that I'm marketing. But just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go in and put in some of the common ones: TruliaHomes.com, people that are pre-qualified, people hunting for a home, housing.com, and frankly, for what I'm doing, that's plenty. For placements, I always select automatic placements. If you want to do Instagram, that's fine. But the ones I normally exclude are in-stream and in-article. People just hate those placements, and so I normally don't use them. For your budget, again, go ahead and do whatever you want. For my client, he's generating about 20 to 30 leads a day. He's got a fairly aggressive budget, but that's working for him. And then one of the nice things about a list of homes is because it's not a specific home, you can usually run these ads for longer. So you might even want to do something like 2 weeks for something like this. Now, when you get to this final part, a lot of the tutorials and things that you've seen me use the single image placement. And for this one, I'm not going to do that. If you've selected Instagram, make sure you connect with your Instagram account. And instead of doing single image or video, we want to do carousel. So with carousel, what it is there's multiple images for the same ad. So in this case, it's perfect for a list of homes. Now, we've done lists of homes for things like homes that are single level, where we're targeting that more for the empty nester type crowd. First-time buyer list, where it's a list of homes that are priced in a certain range. You could do a list of homes in certain price ranges for that matter. I've done it for a list of homes where it was open houses that were going to occur during the weekend. List of new construction homes, list of homes that were reduced prices. In fact, that's the one I'm going to do the tutorial on. And fixer-uppers for you investors. If you want to attract investors, fixer-upper tutorials or fixer-upper list of homes are great as well. So with that being said, we're basically just going to take certain homes and put them in each of these slots. Now I can have up to 10 images per ad. So 10 is the maximum. So just to kind of show you how this works, I've already downloaded some images just to save time. So I would come here and I've got my first home. Oh, and of course it's the wrong size. So there are minimum sizes on this, again, just to make things go a little faster. I'm going to use some of the ones that are already in here. So let's say that's image number 1. Again, it has to be minimum 600 by 600. I just realized the ones I downloaded aren't that. And so what I would do here's the first image, right? So you can crop this to show what it is that you want to show. Again, 600 by 600 is the minimum. So I could say that this home was in Murray, and because Murray home price dropped, and I could just down here in the description put dropped 30,000 or whatever the actual price drop was. Then I can go to the second one and select an image for that one. Again, I'm just going to pick one of these other ones. So there's my second home. Again, I can crop it to make sure what I want to show is actually showing. And then I can put this one was Taylorsville price dropped. And then I could say that this one reduced 20,000. And you get the idea. Third image, again, just going to use one I've already got. That's great. Salt Lake City dropped 40,000. Anyway, you get the idea. So I can keep going. This is what I would do to add an image. And let's do one more just so that there's 4 instead of the 3 that it typically does. There we go. And sure, that's great. Okay, perfect. And then this last one, I could say Draper home. Dropped 40,000. I don't know, whatever the numbers are, right? And then here, this is my primary text for the ad. So I would just say something like, would you like to see a free list of homes that have dropped their price recently? Click on the ad below to see the list for free, something like that. I'd change the call to action to learn more. And so now as people are going through the ad, there'll be, when the ad shows up in their news feed, and I can show you anyway, when the ad shows up on their news feed, they can just simply click through the images like this to see the image that they want. And again, there's the captions that we put on there. They're going to say, oh, that one dropped 40,000, and they're going to be interested to learn more. They'll click on that. That's going to bring up the form. And then basically you can just create a form like we always do, where we're capturing the name and the address and the phone number. And that's really how this works. So that is how to set up how to set up a carousel ad. Again, one of the things I love carousel ads for is for the list. And if I'm just going to finish setting it up. So I'm going to duplicate this one. And for the intro, instead of saying to see the list, I would just put to see list of homes. I would use the image from the ad, so it's going to pull in those. Again, I'm collecting name, email, and phone number. I've got my privacy policy in there. And this is the important part. So for the link where you're sending them after they've become a lead, so I'm just using one of my clients' websites to give you an idea, right? So this was a list of homes where price were reduced. And so what I can do is I can come up here and in the more category, I can say, yeah, show me anything that's been reduced in the last week, right? And here's 282 listings. So what I can do is I can come up here. This is the link that I want because when they click on it, it's going to take them to this that shows all of these price reduced. So I'm just going to come here, plug in that link, hit finish. And now this ad is completely done. I could just come down here, hit the confirm button. It's not a real ad, so I'm not going to do that. But that is everything that you need to do to use a carousel ad. So again, it's just about a matter of having the photos. They do need to be at least 600 by 600 pixels. Otherwise, you're going to get that message that you saw that I got on the first one. So if they're not that, make sure you resize them first. Then you can upload it. And again, it's a great strategy to be able to generate leads if you don't have your own listing, because you can just market a list of homes and use lists that people are going to be interested in. Empty nesters, like single level homes, just reduced as you saw here, just listed, homes in certain price ranges, those kinds of things perform very, very well. So that is how you can be generating leads on Facebook with a carousel ad marketing a list of homes. It's a fantastic strategy. Like I said, one of my clients, he's been doing this for probably a good 6-7 months. He's generated thousands of leads from just this one strategy. And most of them are coming in at around $2, around $2 a lead. In fact, the list of homes that he's marketing is a list of homes for that are available through seller financing. Another great list. So with that, that's how we do it. So that is our tutorial today. So a couple things. Number one, again, if this was helpful, make sure you click the like button. We want to make sure that we know what content you like so that we make more of it. Also, it just helps us get the video out to more people, and we appreciate your support. If you want more tips, more strategies, more tutorials just like this, click the subscribe button. Again, we'd love to have you here as part of our community. And then also make sure you go and check out in the description below. There's some more information there about things that we offer that will help you grow your business. Some of them free, some of them are paid courses, and some of them are where you can actually get more information about us doing that marketing for you. So if you, again, go check those out. Other than that, make it a great week. Keep crushing it in your business. And if we can help you in any way, please let us know. Leave a comment down below what you thought, what we can do to help you, and we will make sure that we respond. With that, again, make it a great week. Crush it in your business, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.